Sick of spending a fortune on bland food? Good. Welcome to my kitchen, where you'll eat like royalty without breaking the bank. We're talking inflation-proof meal prep, not sad sandwiches or instant noodles. I'll show you how to turn cheap ingredients into 5-star flavor, rich sauces, perfect proteins, vibrant veg. Take control of your food and your wallet. Eat well, every day. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's get cooking. First up, creamy garlic chicken thighs. Chicken thighs. Flavorful, fatty, and half the price of breast. Pat dry, season well. Sear in a hot pan with oil until golden. Remove and rest. Into the same pan, lots of minced garlic. Let it get fragrant, not burnt. Deglaze with white wine. Reduce, then add broth and a splash of cream. Simmer until thick. Return chicken. Coat in sauce. Finish with fresh parsley for color and brightness. Serve with pasta, rice, or just a spoon. Simple, affordable, and tastes like $1,000,000. This is affordable luxury. You'll never look at chicken the same way. Try it tonight. Absolutely stunning. Next, one-pot lentil stew. Lentils, cheap, protein-packed, and full of flavor. Start with diced onion, carrot, and celery. Sweat in olive oil. Add tomato paste. Cook it out, then spices, cumin, smoked paprika, coriander. Toast, then add rinsed lentils and cover with stock. Simmer gently until thick and hearty. About 30-40 minutes. Finish with lemon juice and fresh spinach. Rich, nutritious, and costs pennies. Minimal cleanup, maximum flavor. One pot, endless possibilities. Try it and be amazed. Sheet pan lemon herb salmon. Frozen salmon fillets, affordable and great quality. Thaw, pat dry, and place on a parchment-lined pan. Drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper. Press on fresh herbs, dill, parsley, thyme. Top with lemon slices. Add asparagus or broccoli to the pan. Roast at 200-degree and 400-degree stun for 12-15 minutes. Don't overcook. Salmon should be moist and flaky with fragrant herbs and caramelized lemon. Restaurant-worthy for a fraction of the price. One pan, minimal mess. Healthy and easy. You'll never pay for salmon out again. Try it this week. Stunning results. Enjoy. The best fried rice? Always use old, cold rice. Leftover rice is gold. Grains stay separate, not mushy. Hot wok, neutral oil, aromatics, garlic, ginger. Toss in any veg, fresh or frozen. Stir fry until crisp tender. Push aside, scramble eggs, mix in. Add rice, break up clumps, toss together. Sauce: soy, sesame oil, white pepper. Heat, taste, adjust. Fast, cheap, and turns leftovers into a masterpiece. Never waste rice again. Stroganoff. No need for expensive steak. Use cheap beef cuts like chuck or brisket diced. Season, flour, sear in batches for deep flavor. Add sautéed onions, mushrooms, garlic to the slow cooker. Deglaze pan with broth, pour over beef. Add more broth, bay leaf, Worcestershire, couscous kam sing tukuri kangur, trukeng lo do is kam siru. Is kanditin tan sitsen, andi andur, slskalded dober dosa steinder. This town it wow, 6 to 8 hours. Finish with sour cream and fresh dill, tender beef, creamy, tangy sauce. Comfort in a bowl for less. Let your slow cooker do the work. Chickpea and spinach curry. Ready in under 30 minutes. Sauté onion, then garlic, ginger, chili. Add turmeric, cumin, coriander, curry powder. Toast for flavor. Pour in chopped tomatoes and coconut milk. Simmer. Add chickpeas, heat through, then stir in spinach to wilt. Serve with rice or naan. Vibrant, nutritious, packed with flavor. Faster than takeaway. Make it tonight. Baked ziti, cheesy, carby comfort. Cook pasta al dente, mix ricotta, egg, parmesan, parsley, salt, pepper, layer sauce, pasta, ricotta mix, mozzarella, repeat. Top with mozzarella and parmesan. Bake until golden and bubbling. Let it rest before cutting. Feeds a crowd. Perfect for meal prep. Italian comfort, no fuss. Make it once, crave it forever. Teriyaki chicken meal, prep bowls. Make your own sauce. Soy, mirin, honey, fresh ginger. Simmer to thicken. Use chicken thighs. Cook until brown. Coat in sauce. Prep rice, steam broccoli, slice carrots, bell peppers. Portion everything into containers. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. 5 days of healthy, delicious lunches. Save money, time, and eat better. Spicy tuna patties. Cheap, protein-packed, and delicious. Flake canned tuna in a bowl. Add egg, breadcrumbs, onion, herbs, lime juice, sriracha. Season, mix, form into patties. Pan fry until golden and crispy. Serve with salad or in a bun with spicy mayo. From humble can to hero meal. No more sad tuna sandwiches. Try it for lunch. Roasted veggie quinoa salad. Hearty, filling, never boring. Roast seasonal veg with oil, salt, pepper, herbs. Cook and cool quinoa. Toss with veggies and lemon vinaigrette, olive oil, lemon, Dijon. Add chickpeas or feta for protein. Even better next day. Perfect for meal prep. Creamy tomato basil soup, rich, velvety, and comforting. Sauté onion and garlic in oil until soft. Add good canned tomatoes. Crush. Add broth, bay leaf, pinch of sugar. Simmer 20-30 minutes. Remove bay leaf, blend until smooth. Stir in cream or coconut milk. Finish with fresh basil. Serve with grilled cheese. Tastes like summer, any season. BBQ pulled chicken. Let the slow cooker do the work. Chicken thighs or breasts in the cooker. Mix BBQ sauce, onion, garlic powder, smoked paprika, vinegar, brown sugar. Pour over chicken, cook low 6 to 8 hours. Shred in the sauce. Pile on buns, top with slaw. Feeds a crowd or meal preps for the week. Low effort, big flavor. Sweet potato and black bean burritos. Hearty, healthy, cheap. Roast spice sweet potato cubes. Prep black beans, cilantro lime rice, and toppings. Warm tortillas, layer fillings, roll up, pan fry for a crispy finish if you like. Portable plant-powered meal, no meat needed, so delicious. Greek chicken and rice skillet, 1 pan, big flavor, brown seasoned chicken thighs, set aside. Sauté onion and garlic, then toast rice in the same pan. Add broth, lemon juice, return chicken. Add olives or sun-dried tomatoes. Simmer covered until rice is tender. Fluff rice. Top with dill or parsley and feta. Minimal cleanup. Mediterranean magic. Try it. Mushroom risotto. Creamy, elegant, and simple. Use arborio rice for creaminess. Sauté mushrooms, set aside. Sweat shallot, toast rice. Add white wine, let it evaporate. Gradually add hot stock, stirring. Stir in mushrooms, butter, parmesan. Serve immediately. Luxurious, humble ingredients. Master risotto. A masterpiece. Eggplant parmesan baked. Rich, satisfying, no meat needed. Salt eggplant, let sit, rinse and dry. Bread with flour, egg and breadcrumbs. Bake or pan fry until crispy. Layer with marinara, ricotta, mozzarella. Repeat, top with cheese. Bake until golden. Let rest. Vegetarian perfection. Honey garlic shrimp stir fry, faster than takeout. Prep veg and sauce. Soy, honey, garlic, rice vinegar, sriracha. Hot wok, cook veg, crisp tender. Add shrimp, cook until pink. Pour in sauce, toss, thicken. Serve over rice. Ready in 15 minutes. Sweet, savory, healthy. No more takeout excuses. Incredible. Broccoli cheddar stuffed potatoes. Cheap, filling, and delicious. Bake potatoes until tender, crispy skin. Steam broccoli, grate cheddar. Mix potato flesh with broccoli, cheese, sour cream, butter, season. Stuff skins, top with cheese. Bake until bubbly. Elevate the humble spud. Try it tonight. Moroccan chickpea stew. Aromatic, warming, pantry-friendly. Sauté onion, garlic, ginger and spices. Cumin, coriander, turmeric, cinnamon. Add tomatoes, broth, chickpeas, dried fruit. Simmer until thick and flavors meld. Stir in spinach or kale to wilt. Serve over couscous or quinoa, topped with cilantro and almonds. North African comfort in a bowl. Try it. Delicious and healthy. Chicken fajita meal prep. Restaurant flavor, home price. Sliced chicken, peppers, onion. Toss with homemade fajita seasoning. Spread on sheet pan. Roast until charred. Prep rice, quinoa, or lettuce for bowls. Assemble with salsa, guac, cheese. 5 days of lunches sorted. Cheaper, healthier, smarter. Fajita night every day. Pasta primavera. Fresh, vibrant, and easy. Blanch green veg, shock in ice water. Cook pasta, sauté garlic, add pasta water for sauce. Toss with veg, parmesan, lemon, and herbs. Light, satisfying, and colorful. Use any veg you have, spring on a plate, anytime. Try it tonight. Peanut butter banana overnight oats. Breakfast, sorted, in a jar. Oats, protein powder, chia seeds, cinnamon, salt. Add milk, peanut butter, mashed banana, stir or shake, refrigerate overnight. In the morning, stir, top with banana and nuts, 5 minutes prep. Filling, cheap, customizable. Champion's breakfast. That's it, 22 recipes proving you don't need a fat wallet to eat well. No more excuses for sad takeout or microwave meals. If you learned something, like and comment your favorite recipe. Share your own budget meal ideas below. Subscribe and ring the bell for more. You've got the tools. Use them. Stop wasting money. Start cooking.